Hello, right now I'm gonna quickly show you the maximum camera zoom of the Redmi Note 14, and I will show you the example using this SD card adapter and this SD card. So let me grab the phone, let me put them right here, and right now I will just show you the maximum zoom. I will zoom in with this camera right here. So let's grab this phone and we are zooming in. And it's actually pretty big, and it's not even the maximum zoom of this camera. Yeah, so as you can see, the maximum zoom is the 20, and we can see actually a lot of details. It's really nice zoom, and that's how it looks on regular with this with no zoom actually, as you can see. And right now I will zoom back again and show you the maximum zoom. As you can see. Yeah, so basically that will be all about the maximum zoom of this Redmi Note 14. Thank you for watching.